In order to deal with the estate of a loved one after their death, you will generally need a grant of probate. This gives you the legal authority to distribute their estate to beneficiaries, including assets such as their property, possessions, bank accounts, and investments. A grant of probate will also give you the right to deal with official bodies on behalf of the deceased. The executor named in the will should apply for the grant of probate. If the deceased did not have a will, or no will can be found, then their next of kin will need to apply. The process of administering an estate starts once the executor has received the death certificate. They first need to notify relevant organisations, like the DWP, banks, mortgage companies, financial institutions, and the like. The executor will then need to call in the deceased's assets and pay any debts, meaning closing bank accounts, selling personal possessions and cars, and arranging to put the deceased's house on the market. They will also need to clear any outstanding mortgages and loans. This is where lots of our clients ask us to become involved. At Feakes & Co, we can advise you on the process and do some or all of the work for you. Once you're ready, inheritance tax forms need to be prepared and submitted to HMRC, and any tax due must be paid. Inheritance tax can be a complicated area, especially when there are multiple assets involved. It's wise at this point to have the support of a solicitor, so that you can ensure that you're claiming all the tax relief available. Many executors are pleased to find that by claiming all the reliefs and exceptions available, the tax payable is less than expected, often even nil. Once any tax is paid, the executor is ready to apply for the grant of probate. With the grant, they can receive money due to the estate, sell or transfer property, finalise any debts, and distribute the assets to the beneficiaries according to the instructions in the will. Often the executor will prepare an estate account, showing the assets in the estate and the payments made. The entire process can take between 3 and 6 months, involving tax mitigation, form filling, and a lot of administrative work. Many people find being an executor overwhelming, especially when they've never done it before. We can take this burden away from you. Our team of experts will get things right the first time.